Seal pod here. So these are excellent reusable capsules for use in Nespresso original line machines. They have a great little stainless steel base, and then you can either put an aluminium sticker lid, or we also have biodegradable compostable lids that you can pop on these guys. Filling is super easy. So you're going to want to make sure that you're sourcing a nice dark roast. An Italian roast ideally is going to give you the best results from your extraction. So something that'll give you a nice robust brew. It needs to also be ground to medium fine, and it's going to give you a nice consistent flow as it's brewing. So you'll notice that if it's too fine, if you have it ground to say an espresso grind, the water will really struggle to make its way through the pod, and you might find that you just get a bit of a drip coming through when you're trying to create your espresso. In terms of filling, you can either just use the scoop and just start filling as so, or alternatively, recently we created an excellent little product called the Perfect Press, which is a filling device made 100% from recycled plastics. I've got a lot of other videos so you can see how this one works. Both the scoop method and the Perfect Press work really, really well with Seal Pod, and it comes down to personal preference. So today I'm going to show you the scoop method. So I guess the Perfect Press tends to just be a little bit cleaner and tidier, and it's really consistent because it has a built-in tamp. It takes the guesswork out of your pod prep. But ideally, you're looking to fill a little bit, tamp, and then fill a little more, tamp again. Beautiful. So you want a nice, clean top, leaving space for that sticker. Peel away. Stick it on. All right, and then just pop in your machine. So it's also got a really handy little silicone ring here, which helps it to fit nice and snug in your machine. It's a protective measure as well, just to make sure that at all times we're being gentle with our pod machines. So it just gives a little bit of buffering there during the brewing process. So pop it in. And we always make sure that we select the short shot button when brewing with reusables. This just gives you the correct amount of water for the size of the capsule. You don't want to flood this pod with a load of water. It's just going to produce a really watery, bitter coffee. That first portion is going to give you the nicest flavor profile. Perfect. You can see that nice colour variation there. Nice creamy crema on top. It's a beauty.